Hi Disnerds! This is Drew with the Disney Rabbit Hole. This video is a full POV ride-through of Slinky Dog Dash at Toy Story Land inside Disney's Hollywood Studios at Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida. Be sure to stick around until the end of the video for some more off-ride footage of Slinky Dog Dash. And if you're enjoying this video, it would be great if you would strike that like. Thank you so much. Slinky Dog Dash opened alongside Toy Story Land on June 30th, 2018, and instantly became one of the most popular attractions at Hollywood Studios. For a thrill ride, it's family-friendly. Slinky Dog Dash only has a 38-inch height requirement, so the kiddos will be able to ride this one earlier than some other attractions like Rise of the Resistance or Star Tours. None of the drops on Slinky Dog Dash are too intense, and overall it's an exceptionally smooth ride. This is the only Disney coaster to offer a double launch. The ride begins with a launch, and then in the middle of the ride, your car slows to a stop, stretches backwards, and re-launches. Again, nothing too intense here, but still lots of fun. The entire ride is outdoors, so if you're planning a visit to Disney's Hollywood Studios, pay attention to the weather forecast for the day. Since the line is only partially covered, there's no air conditioning and no break from the Florida heat in the summertime. And when it rains, lightning will cause the ride to temporarily close. Pay close attention to Slinky Dog Dash's theming and decorations, and you'll be able to see the origin stories of some of Andy's beloved toys. Look for Mr. Pickle Pants in a children's book, and you also might spy Rex's original box. Have you noticed a fun or special hidden secret while you were riding Slinky Dog Dash? Leave a comment below and tell me about it. Now, just sit back, relax, and enjoy this POV full ride-through of Slinky Dog Dash.
Five, you said? Yep. 216, 217, 108. 216, 217, 108. How many for you? One.
It's time to bring it out. Yes, beginners. Dentro del vehículo. Y vigilen a sus pequeños. I might be a classic, but I still got a spring in my step. Let's go. Welcome to Slinky Dog Dash. I'm Slinky Dog. Now, for your safety, remember to stay seated with all your parts and pieces. Keep an eye on your little toy. Bienvenidos a Slinky Dog Dash. Por favor, permanezcan sentados como las manos, brazos y piernas dentro del vehículo. Y vigilen a sus pequeños. Hang on to your springs and coils, cause this here coaster is the wildest ride in Andy's backyard. Welcome to Slinky Dog Dash. I'm Slinky Dog. Now, for your safety, remember to stay seated with all your parts and pieces, hands, arms, feet, legs, springs, hose, inside the vehicle. Keep an eye on your little toy. Bienvenidos a Slinky Dog Dash. Por favor, permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos y piernas dentro del vehículo. Y vigilen a sus pequeños.
Push up on the lap bar.
Y'all ready to dash around in this backyard? And grab your things and step out to your right. So long, pal.
Thank you.
Hey, Mom took me to the restroom, and then we're taking another ride.
So still see if you got wait time here in town with the absolute minimum. Maybe you're right in his backyard.
Yo lo ya pasé, no, regálame.
Oh, I hope I didn't scare you.